Welcome to this 2015 Chevy Corvette Z06, the last of the front-engine Vettes. This is the famous 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque with the 3LZ package and the ceramic carbon brakes. This has the 7-speed. It is ready to roll. Let's go have some fun. With 13,000 miles, this 7-speed, 6.2-liter, 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pound of torque Z06 has been meticulously maintained, including a recent full fluid service. With the 3LZ package, it has a luxurious interior with heads-up display, bucket seats, and a removable hardtop. Heavily optioned, this is going to make somebody very, very happy. For more information, look it up at www.ganalautoworks.com.